welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm here with a very exciting video. Today I just received this gorgeous palette right here. As you can see, I already have it on my eyes. You can fast forward to see just if you want to see the reviews, but I'm just going to talk a little bit about the products that I got today. Anyways, this palette came in a very gorgeous box with roses. These are the ones that last like about a year and they always smell so good. I actually have this little one right here that I received more than a year ago and it still looks incredible and it smells so good. But anyways, this palette has 7 shimmers and 7 mattes, including a black one and a white one, which I love about this palette. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, they all swatched so good. They feel so creamy. The mattes feel velvety, like the shimmers feel creamy and smooth. So I knew by how the formula felt when I swatched them that it was going to be a good palette. And this will be available September 25th. If you're watching this after September 25th, I will have the link to the palette in the description box below if you guys are interested. And I also got this gorgeous package, and inside it has 3 of their new liquid lipsticks and 4 of their new lip glosses, and in the middle their new glitters, and it's a total of 8 different glitters. As some of you might know, I hate having glitter on my face or on my hands, but on my eyes I just love it, so I can't wait to use these. I won't be using them today. I will have a separate video using these glitters. And before we get started, as always, please give this video a big thumbs up, help me out, and let's try to reach 500 likes. If you guys can help me out, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think about this look. And now let's start with the tutorial. I'm going to get the brush that comes with the palette and I'm going to dip into this shadow right here. And I don't see a lot of fallout, and it did pick up a lot of the product. I'm going to start applying that right on my crease. Just going to go back and forth. It doesn't matter if it looks messy on my eyelid because I'm going to clean that up with concealer later on anyways. So I'm just going to focus from the crease and above that. Okay, now I've been trying to blend it out better, so I'm going to get a little bit more of the same product and apply some on top of that and see if it helps blend out the shades better. I'm just going to do the same thing, go back and forth. It is blending out good. This one is definitely buildable. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. Now I'm going to get the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush and I'm going to get this dark brown shade right here. This one also doesn't have a lot of fallout and it also picked up a lot of the product. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to apply it on the crease, but I'm just going to try to keep it lower than the pink shade. So I'm just going to keep it there and go back and forth. It does help if I keep my eye open just so it can be right in the crease. So I'm just going to do that until it's nice and blended. I want to deepen up the brown shade, so I'm going to try to build it up. So I got this small brush from XOXO Scent. I already have a little bit of the brown eyeshadow there. And I'm just going to put it right just a little bit above the crease. It's just better to use a smaller brush if you don't want it to move any higher towards the eyebrows. I'm going back with the first brush I used, but I didn't get any product on it, so it's just helping me blend out the 2 shades better. It's actually looking really cute. Now I'm going to get this brush from ABH Cosmetics and I'm going to get the black eyeshadow right here, which I'm so nervous to use right now. I always get nervous when I use it. I mean, when I use black eyeshadows, but yeah, I did pick up a lot of the product and I see no fallout. I'm going to tap it right on the outer corner right here and then slowly start blending it up towards the crease and then towards the outer corner. And then again, it doesn't matter how it looks right on the eyelid right here because I'm going to put concealer there anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And then really quick, I'm going to get this CoverGirl concealer and the Real Techniques detailer brush to apply some on my lid. I'm going to start by applying it here and working my way towards the inner corner. I'm going to stop right there and then clean the brush on my hand and start blending out the edges. Just go very lightly over it like this. Now using the very tip of the Real Techniques brush, I'm going to get this gold shade right here And as you can see, I just want it right on the tip. And that's because I want it on the very edge of where I put the concealer. Just want the line to go like that, all the way up to here. And it doesn't matter how it looks on the crease, or I mean on the eyelid. I'm going to put another shimmery eyeshadow right on top of that. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And again, using the same Real Techniques brush, I'm going to get this shimmery shade. And it's so gorgeous. And I'm going to put it on the rest of my eyelid where I put the concealer. And with the tip of the brush, I'm going to blend out those two shimmery eyeshadows. I'm going to be careful not to cover the gold shadow that I put right there. So I'm just going to slowly go over the edge of that. And then right over here, I'm just going to kind of fade it out. Oh, that's looking so pretty. So I already cleaned this little brush, and I'm going to go into this shade right here and put that on my lower lash line. This is the second layer of the eyeshadow, and it's looking really good. Using this A1 brush from Anastasia, I'm going to dip into the black shade. I'm just going to tap it there and then blend it out. I just want to keep it as close to the lash line as I can, and just on the outer corner. Also, don't forget to connect it to the eyeshadow on the top. And I'm just going to start blending it out. And last step, again, I'm going to take the Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here and put that on the inner corner. Oh my god, that really pops a lot. Damn, that's pigmented. Okay. Oh my god, imagine on the whole eyelid. That's the look I'm gonna do soon. Okay, and for the lips, I wanted to use one of their new lip glosses or liquid lipsticks, but this is not a lip shade I would normally pair with this eye look if I were to go out. Just for an Instagram picture, I would, of course. But this one's their new liquid lipstick in Mai Tai. I don't know if I pronounced that right. It's kind of a metallic look. It's very creamy, feels so lightweight on the lips. And I honestly don't know how it's going to look with this eye look, but we'll make it work. Okay, so if you guys don't know already what I think about this palette by my reactions, I'll just tell you right now. I love it. I knew I was going to forget it. Shoot. I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, the formula, the pigment, the shimmers, the mattes, it's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous palette. I mean, and I love that they went with a different look. You can feel the glitter on the palette, and it doesn't leave any glitter on your fingers. Well, just a little bit, but it's not that bad. But yeah, I'm definitely creating more looks with this, and like I said, I'm also going to use the glitters in a different video, so keep an eye out for that. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this completed look. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it, and yeah, would you buy this palette or would you pass? Leave me any requests in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!